Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to create the Instagram post using AI. So very simple way to create the Instagram post using AI. First what you are going to do is we have to prepare everything. So first what I am going to do, you have to prepare the things everything. So you can see over here, you just take take it to one notepad and you roughly write the things. Okay, so you have to create the Instagram post, okay, regarding your business. Okay, so the based on the business, here I have created the post for promoting my digital marketing course. Okay, you may be promoting your real estate business. It may be the real estate business or any other products you are going to promote online. So first you have to ready made with the title digital marketing course. Okay, like, okay, so I have a take example of digital marketing course. You can take it whatever you want. Okay, after that you have a price. If you have a price, you can define the price. If you don't have, you leave as it is. Okay, okay, so later on you will be able to, once you get the inquiry, you will be able to negotiate. Okay, it's no problem. Okay, so again, for the digital marketing course, we have implement look like this. We have to provide the discount, and these all the things are some tricks of marketing tricks. After that, write the best eye-catching text for the attractive the people. Okay, attractive. Okay, create the writing the best eye-catching text for attractive the people to get more clicks. Right. Okay. So we have I tell them the AI to write some other eye-catching text for uh, make more curiosity to click the peoples. Okay, that's the things you have to implement. That is a very important stuff. After the background color, I have implemented as a white. Okay, background color primary color as blue, secondary color as orange. Okay, okay, the output, the finally we have tell them the tell these things to the AI. What is the output we need to generate? Okay, so width we need 1080, height we need 1080. Okay, so we have to be everything, we have to tell them to that tool in very efficient way and clearly, then only the AI can understand. Okay, so that one we have already, we have generated one notepad and we have to, these are the requirements we have. Now let's go to that ChatGPT. What you're going to do is we have to tell them first, act as a world best Instagram post designer. Okay, so here you will give me the best prompt based on this text. Okay, so we don't put it to over here and generate it. That is not a good way. Some people are do like this way. We just same thing, you just put it and expecting the output. Don't do like that. Okay, so we have to put this like this, the secondary color. You can ask them to generate the prompt. Okay, so give me the prompt for this based on this text. Okay, that if you have any grammatically, you have to correct them before you have to execute it. Okay, you double check this one, everything perfectly you aligned. That we have to put it like this inside the double quotation mark. Okay, give me the best prompt based on this text. Okay, price and everything. Okay, so if you want, you can change the colors. Okay, so this color is good. Okay, let's put it here. The send me the prompt. It's given like this something. Okay, everything they are given as a in detail. Here you can see it's given that prompt everything. These are the is generated by AI prompt here. look like this way. In order to go through this, you just copy this prompt. We are everything you have to write in the detailing one. Okay, detail one. So I copy this, and here I have to put into over here. Sorry, here to tell them I need you to generate the Instagram post. I need to generate Instagram post with comma height. Just hit enter. Now let's check the output. Okay, so this is the output we are generated by ChatGPT. So we have generated the same thing, tested on that tool which is a Gemini as Gemini. But when you looking for a output in Gemini, I recommend it. The free tool than Pro one is better. Upgrade features is include more many things for graphic designers. But that free one is I'm not tell them it is bad. It is rather good, not good actually. But compared to ChatGPT is good. Generate the output. If you are here, once the output is generated, we will check this one. It's generating. Keep wait. Don't close it until generated. Okay. Generating. It's go every line based on this line. It will take some time to generate. That's why it takes some time. Okay. If you look at the output here as well, if you click on it, here also you will be able. It is start to generate your image. Here while this too. Okay. It completed. For this here, you will be able to see the very best design. You will be able to see here the very best AI. Here the design is very good. Master graphic designing in 2000 here there. If you have any content here, all the content would be there. Here the attractive images would be there. Here the you can see the course fee. Now it will be 10,000. Save 2,000 here. Every marketing strategist it is implemented and created. Very best AI Instagram posts. Okay, this is how we have created the professional one. If you compare to Gemini also best. Yeah, you will be able to see the Gemini as well. Okay, so this how we have. Now we no need to do it Photoshop and everything. You will be able to do these things as well. It's very best tools. Okay, this how we have generated using AI. Okay, so if you have the same thing, generate the post. You can ask me the same one. I need it to. You can simply. I need act as a bulb. Give me the prompt for this text JSON format. JSON. I asked a JSON form. This is another tricky one. Okay. Click on it. I need you to generate the Instagram post for this text. Now let's check it. This one should be the JSON form. Okay, let's check it the different one. The JSON means this that this is the output will be something advanced. If you are generated rather than compared to the normal text, you have generated as a JSON format, a little bit advanced, not that much advanced. If you have bought the premium tool, if you are compared to the free tool as well, the paid tool is advanced. You will be able to generate the maximum good output as well. Okay, so let me check whether it is how the output will be. Okay, so wait until the output generated. Okay, so here it's generating, so we have the same thing, you have to put it here as well, the same thing. Copy it, so here. Okay, the thing is this is a basic one. So if you have bought the premium package, the design should be more attractive, more professional if you buy this one. I mean, the lot of people are I show a lot of people, so when you move to the company, they are using premium one. Okay, they generate the they get the prompt from here. ChatGPT is generated in Gemini. The output would be more attractive. Here you will be able to see, rather than compared to the previous one, the JSON output is little bit different, but this one also the attractive. Here this learn, apply, grow, succeed. Here it's enable the some symbol as well. So here this looking for a job, the job market also they are implemented for the curiosity purpose. Okay, so this kind of image, when the people are look at this image, so people are like to join this course. So this kind of image we have to implement it. So you can see here. Okay, so try this one. Okay, this how we have created the Instagram post via a. Thank you for watching.